Making an AI animation has become very easy and simple. With just a single reference image and a prompt, I generated the entire animation. Let's take a look at this.
Oh no, not now!
It took me an hour to make this, and I have a workflow by which you can easily do this. And the best part, we are using only free AI tools like Nano Banana Pro and free AI video generator to do it. So let's begin the video. So before starting making the animation, here are some websites where you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. First one is LM Arena, then mate.ai, and the other one is Dreamina by CapCut. I am using Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield because I already have their plan. There is no quality difference between any of these platforms. So this is the prompt formula that I use for creating multiple scenes of animation. With this prompt, you just need a single reference photo and short scene description, and it generates the whole scene images like this. And thanks to TechHalla for sharing this prompt formula. So now, let's start creating the full animation story by using this method. So first, we need a short story for our animation. For this, go to the ChatGPT and type a simple prompt. Ask it to generate a short animation story. It should be around 1 character. ChatGPT gives me an engaging story. You can use this story for your animation, or you can use any story that already have in your mind. In my case, I already generated a story using ChatGPT. It's about a character named Jack whose car fuel ends and it reaches a deserted gas station. Instead of filling, the gas station fills the air and suddenly the car starts flying. Now we already have all the scenes for this story. So for example, I want to generate the images for the first scene, which is about the car driving of a Jack on deserted highway and their fuel ending. I simply copy that scene description and paste into the Nano Banana Pro. As you can see in the scene, 1 character named Jack is mentioned. Now come to Nano Banana Pro. First, upload Jack's image and their car into the Nano Banana Pro. Then copy the scene 1 description and paste it here. After that, type the animation style you want. For example, if you want a 3D Pixar animation style, simply add this line after the scene description. After the scene description, copy the prompt formula, which I explained earlier, and paste it after scene context. One thing, always keep in mind that scene description always comes first before the prompt formula. Otherwise, it will not generate correctly. I will pin this prompt formula in comment section so you can easily copy and use it. Next, choose your desired aspect ratio. Finally, hit the generate and see what output it gives. All right, it generates the output, and for the first scene, it gives me 9 different images. According to the scene context, desert driving and fuel running out, we get 9 multiple shots. In these images, we have an opening shot of a car passing through the desert, then a shot of Jack is driving, and then the fuel starts ending. It exactly keeps the character's face and car consistent across all scenes. Now, a question might come to your mind. These are 9 different images. So how do we separate them? Don't worry. It's very easy. Let's say this is scene 1, and it has 9 different shots. If I want to extract one specific image like this image, I simply type a prompt like enlarge the second image from row 2 and hit submit. You can also take a screenshot of the image and then enlarge it if you want. And here it is. It perfectly extracted the image from the sequence. So that's how you can pull out individual images. In the same way, we again repeat this process for every scene. First, upload Jack's image and the car image, then copy the scene description and paste it into Nano Banana Pro. After that, copy and paste the prompt formula after scene description, and then hit generate. And this is the result created from the scene to description. If your story has another character, you can easily add them as well. Just upload the new character image, mention them clearly in the scene description, and Nano Banana will handle it automatically. It keeps the character consistent in every scene and places them correctly in the story. Once all your images are ready, we move on to video generation. For video generation, you can use any AI video generator. For now, I'm using Grok AI because it's free and gives very accurate motion. Go to grok.com and click on the Imagine option. Upload the image you want to animate. I upload this image of Jack sitting in the car where he notices the fuel is running out and gets frustrated. For the prompt, I type, he looks at the fuel gauge, suddenly gets frustrated, lifts both hands off the steering wheel, and then slams both hands back onto the steering wheel. Also, make sure to mention no sound and no background music. Then, hit generate. The result is amazing. The scene feels very natural. Jack clearly shows frustration and panic as he slams the steering wheel when he realizes the fuel is low during the drive. Repeat this process for all scenes. Generate all the clips. So this is the fastest and easiest way to create AI animations, AI films, and complete AI stories using free tools. That's all for me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe.